Domino is a coding and marking company, a global expert in industrial printing. We specialize in digital printing and traceability solutions for sectors as diverse as food and beverage, life sciences, packaging, cleaning, personal care, building, and construction. I work with our print and apply customers and prospects to grow Domino's label, ribbon, and print head aftermarket business in the United States and Canada. My typical day is fast-paced and challenging. I'm always on calls with prospects, customers, suppliers, and even Domino sales reps. Hey Dan, how goes it, bud?
Today, I've scheduled an appointment to visit one of our larger beverage sector accounts. By utilizing Domino's consumables, they will greatly benefit as it will lower their total cost of ownership and optimize the lifespan of their investment.
I work with the customer to learn their labeling needs and ensure the fulfillment of the products necessary to meet those needs. Domino's certified printing supplies are designed, produced, and rigorously pre-tested to ensure consistent warranty performance in Domino's equipment. I may be one of the few faces that the customer sees, so I'm always trying to demonstrate why and how Domino is best positioned to meet the needs of our customer. I actively partner with the customer to demonstrate the extreme value of our solutions.
Now that we found the right solution, it's time to head back to the office and put our plans into action.
Every Domino employee's role is important to the customer. We all work together to deliver outstanding solutions. I have traveled with my colleagues on sales visits while also spending time in the evenings getting to know them better. I sometimes meet up with colleagues for social occasions outside of work and am very lucky to work with great people. I am based in Columbus, Ohio, which is home to the beautiful Franklin Park Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. Columbus offers a diverse and vibrant culture, a booming economy, incredible parks and waterways, and so much more. Outside of work, I love being outdoors with my wife, going boating or camping. I also enjoy playing tennis and golf. I have been at Domino for just over a year now. The opportunity to grow a product segment is really motivating for me, and I know I have a bright future here.